Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to solve one more challenge under the Python and the platform HackerRank, which is called write a function. So the problem statement is easy. We need to take input from a user, which is a year, and then we need to print whether this is a leap year or not in true and false. So here you can see we are taking year, the constraints are given. The year should be greater than or equal to 1900 and less than equal to 10 to the power 5. Then output should be in the boolean format, true and false. And this is the sample. And this is the definition of leap year, which is given in the problem statement. You can see the number evenly divided by 4 is a leap year unless. So this is the big condition. But under that there are two conditions. So the first condition is the year can be evenly divided by 100, not a leap year. And one more thing, the year is also evenly divided by 400. Then that is a leap year. This is the solution to the problem. So we have this function which is used to find whether this particular year is leap year or not, and depending upon that result we are returning true or false. So first we are taking input from user and converting that input to integer and storing into one variable called year. Then we are passing that same variable to a function called isLeap, and here at the start we are setting leap is equal to false. Then we are checking the constraint which is given in the problem statement, that year should be greater than equal to 1900 and year should be less than equal to 10 to the power 5. Then in this if condition we are checking the definition of the leap year. So if the year is dividing by 400, then that year is a leap year. Or if the same year is perfectly divided by 4, then we are also calling that leap. But that year cannot be divided by 100. And this is the same definition. If you go here, you can see here evenly divided by 4, we are just checking that. Then evenly divided by 400, we are checking that. So this is the OR condition. The most important condition here is when we are dividing an year and it is dividing by 100, then that is not a leap year. And here you can see we are checking if that year is not dividing by 100, then only we are saying that is a leap year. So when we submit this code, all the test cases of this program will be satisfied. Thank you everyone.